What a difference 24 hours makes. We were under the influence of that upper area of high pressure that allowed for those near record temperatures for areas. Now that has taken a dive off toward the south and the east, and we're seeing an area of low pressure working its way into BC, and that is responsible for those weather changes today. Now, the majority of that low pressure system is tracking to our north, but we're still on the southeastern side of it here in western Washington, and we have some rising motion in the atmosphere that lift, and we're generating some shower activity at this hour across parts of western Washington. Most areas are dry, but you see that slight uptick in the rain activity over the past couple of hours, especially as you work your way into the coastal areas of the Strait. Notice from Lake Crescent to Port Angeles, all the way to Discovery Bay, that little stretch of 101, a touch on the wet side. That is extending into the San Juan Islands as well as northern parts of Puget Sound into the northwest interior. Spotty activity, but don't be surprised if you see a raindrop or two hit the windshield. And we also have a secondary area of some light, at times moderate rainfall working into Grays Harbor County, especially the stretch of 101. And some of this may eventually work its way toward southern parts of Puget Sound as well as the Kitsap Peninsula over the next couple of hours. What's also pretty noticeable, those west-southwesterly winds across western Washington with that area of low pressure gusting upwards of 20 miles per hour, sustained at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. And these westerly winds, or those southwesterly winds, bring in that cooler air. And that's what we're seeing today. Our temperatures are nearly 30 degrees colder right now compared to the same time yesterday. You feel it out there. Not only do we have the gusty winds and the cooler temperatures, but we have the cloudy skies making it feel just a little more uncomfortable after those warm temperatures over the past few days. 62 degrees in Seattle. Notice the dew points have risen as well, so that relative humidity is pretty high. A little more of a moist atmosphere moving into the area. 57 in Shelton, 57 in Bremerton, 63 in Everett. Good evening in Oak Harbor, 60 degrees. A cool 56 in Forks. This evening, everybody going to fall into the 50s, and there's a chance for an isolated shower, especially for northern parts of Puget Sound and the Olympic Peninsula. And that's what future radar is depicting. Many areas are dry for southern Puget Sound into the southwest interior, but the Olympic Peninsula, the San Juan Islands, and the northwest interior have a chance for those spotty showers throughout the evening hours. That does start to diminish by tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. We're socked in with the cloud cover. There could be a little bit of drizzle, but largely dry for tomorrow morning. And by tomorrow afternoon, I think we start to see a couple breaks in the cloud cover. This is 4 p.m. Notice the southwest interior and southern parts of Puget Sound could see 1 or 2 sun breaks by the afternoon. Still going to be on the cool side, though. 67, that forecast high. But if you like sunnier, mild conditions, we bounce back to 75 above average on your Thursday, 80 for Friday. Then those temperatures do start to come down by the weekend as our next system moves in. That'll provide a very slight chance for a rain shower Sunday and for 4th of July.